Now, hot chocolate on a cold winter's night is just perfection. But we're going to give this hot chocolate a bit of a twist, a bit of a Mexican twist by adding some cinnamon and, wait for it, some chili. I promise you won't taste the chili, it's just going to give it some warmth. You only need the smallest amount. So I'm boiling some milk here and I'm adding some cream. Now I like to add some pure cream to my hot chocolate just to give it some extra richness. So 300 milliliters of cream. And now just combine that together and we can start to perfume this milk and cream combination with the 2 cinnamon sticks. Now I'll add some good quality cocoa powder and then give that a whisk until it all starts to combine. Now I'll add our pinch of chili powder and start with a small amount and then we'll taste it after it's warmed up together. This hot chocolate is perfect now, but if you want to make it extra thick and decadent, add some choc chips to a jug. And then we'll add this hot mixture, removing the cinnamon sticks, into a jug, and then whisk again until it's completely dissolved. The smell of cinnamon, the smell of that chili, and the chocolate is just divine. Okay, this is melted very quickly, it's thick, and now I'm going to serve it in a mason jar. Look at this. Perfect hot chocolate. This is the perfect thing to warm you up on a cold winter's night. I'm gonna have a taste of it. Oh, that is absolutely divine. The bitterness of the chocolate, that warmth from the chili, and then adding that cream just gives it that slight thickness that makes it the ultimate hot chocolate.